Now, again I am given examples to you. In this, you have to convert that expand form in the standard form. But in this question, I have given examples of expand form in the number. So, your first question is 500 plus 30 plus 3. Same as previous, here they were given till hundreds place digit, so we have to draw 3 lines. The number which return on the hundreds place, here it is 500, so we have to write down 5 in the hundreds place. Then in the tens place we have to write down 3 because here they were given 30 and they were given only 3. That's why we have to put that 3 again in the place of ones. So the standard form of 500 plus 30 plus 3 is 533. Next example is 700 plus 80 plus 4. Again we have to draw 3 lines. The number which has hundreds place value, that we have to write down in the hundreds place. So here 7 has hundreds value, so we have to put 7 on the hundreds place. 80, 8 in the place of tens, that's why you have to put 8, and then 4 in the place of ones, that's why we have to put 4 on the ones place. Next, 900 plus 0 plus 1. Now you see here 9 in the hundreds place, so we have to draw 3 lines. We have to put 9 on the hundreds place. Then they were given 0. This 0 is considered as tens place, and this one is considered as ones place. So your answer is 901. That is the standard form of 900 plus 0 plus 1. Next number is 300 plus 40 plus 0. Again we have to draw 3 lines. 3 in the place of hundreds, so we have to put here 3 first, then 4, 0, 40. So we have to put 4 in the place of tens, and in the ones place we have to write down 0 because here 0 in the ones place. So your answer of 300 plus 40 plus 0 is 340. Next number is 600 plus 90 plus 9. Again we have to draw 3 lines. The number which written on the hundreds place we have to write down on the place of hundreds. The number which has tens place value, that we have to write down on the tens place, and the number which has ones value, that we have to put on the ones place. So the answer of 600 plus 90 plus 9 is 699. Next, 200 plus 0 plus 9. So again we have to draw 3 lines, hundreds, tens, ones. Now 2 in the place of hundreds. 2 has hundreds place value. That's why in the place of hundreds we have to put 2. Again here they were given 0. This 0 is considered as a tens place. So we have to put on the tens place 0 and 9 in the place of ones. So your answer of 200 plus 0 plus 9 is 209. Now I am giving some choose the correct answer to you. In this choose the correct answer, your all topics which we study that all cover. First here I am given number to you, then I am given question to you, and for that question you are getting 3 options like A, B, C. Your first question is The place value of 7 in 375 is 77 or 700. So see here 7 lies in the place of tens. That's why your answer is 70. Your second question is the place value of 0 in 703 is 700, 7 or 0. So you see here 0 in the place of tens, but the place value of 0 is always 0. Your third question, the face value of 3 in 345 is 300, 3 or 30. So you already know that the face value of any of the digit, the number itself. So the face value of 3 is only 3. If this 3 change its place, but the answer of the face value is never changed. Now here I am given expanded form to you. The expanded form is 600 plus 50 plus 3. So for this expanded form, you have to give me the standard form. So what is the standard form of 600 plus 50 plus 3? It's a 653, it's a 356 or 635. So you see here 6 in the place of hundreds. So we have to just see this both. Why we don't want to see this one? Because in the place of hundreds they were given 3. But here in our question, in the place of hundreds it's a 6. Now in the place of tens it's a 5. So you see in this box here in 635 in the place of tens it's a 3, and in the place of in 653 in the place of tens it's a 5. So our correct answer is 653. Your next question number 5 is 500 plus 5 is equal to 550, 505 or 55. So see here 5 in the place of hundreds and 5 in the place of ones. So in this both 5, the second 5 in the place of tens. That's why this is not correct answer. See here. Here in the place of tens they were given 0 to you. So our correct answer is 505. Your next question is 509. How we can write down the 509 in the numeral form? 509, 590 or 59. So see here 5 in the place of hundreds. That's why we have to put 5 first, and they were given only 9. So we have to write down only 09, 9. So your answer is 509. Your next question number 7 is 960. Again you got 3 options. How we can write down the 960? It's a 916, 961 or 960. So you already know that we have to write down in the place of hundreds 9. So in this 3 option I already written 9. Now what about the 60? How can we write down the 60? We can write down 60 like this, 6060. So your correct answer for 960 is 960. Now your next question is which digit have same face value and place value? Your first option 0, second option 1 and third option 9. If you see in any of the number, if we are putting anywhere 0, the place value is also 0 and the face value also 0. What about 1? if 1 change its place like this, here 1 in the place of tens, here 1 in the place of ones, so the place value of this both 1 is different. Here 1 lies in the place of tens, that's why the place value of 1 is 10, and here 1 in the place of ones, so the place value of 1 is 1. Both the answers are different, so it is not possible. Now what about the 9? You see here 9 in the place of ones, so the place value of 9 is 9. But if that 9 change its place in 590, now in this number 9 in the place of tens, that's why the place value of 9 is 90. So again the answers, both the answers are different. So which is that digit? If that digit change its place, its face value and place value is never changed. So that number only and only is 0. I hope you all understand all the topics easily. Please complete your assignment work, and on next Thursday you all are getting all the answers of your 3 assignment in the form of PDF. Thank you.